Known for its rich history, iconic landmarks and gorgeous countryside, there are many reasons that people choose to visit the UK. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share 10 reasons to visit the United Kingdom. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, we have the history. The UK is full of historic landmarks and centuries-old castles ready to be explored. Many visitors choose to begin their trip in London, where you can find historic sites such as the Tower of London, St Paul's Cathedral and Buckingham Palace. We also recommend that you head down to Windsor to see Windsor Castle, visit Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument with mysterious origins, and then head to Bath, where you can find the Roman baths showcasing Roman engineering and architecture. We also recommend that you head up to Scotland to see Edinburgh Castle. Which brings us on to the next reason to visit the UK, the landmarks. Because the UK is full of history, it is also full of world famous sights to see. Yes, you've got places like Buckingham Palace and Stonehenge, but you could also visit the London Eye and the Shard. If you are heading up north, you could also see the Angel of the North, a contemporary sculpture near Newcastle. Next we have the museums. The UK is full of interesting museums, many of which are free to visit or have free days to visit on. The British Museum is home to a vast and diverse collection of art and artefacts spanning centuries and cultures, making it one of our favourite museums to visit in London. The National Gallery is an extensive collection of European paintings, whilst the Victoria and Albert Museum is a museum of art and design featuring a diverse range of exhibits. The Tate Modern is a contemporary art museum worth visiting, and the Natural History Museum is a fascinating place to explore with the family. You could also enjoy the engaging exhibits at the Science Museum in London too. Outside of the capital, you could visit Scotland's National Museum that showcases collections covering science, art and technology, whilst the National Museum of Cardiff showcases Welsh art and geology. Another reason to visit the UK is for the countryside. The UK is known for its picturesque landscapes and charming villages in the countryside, with places like the Cotswolds and the Lake District offering rolling hills and beautiful lakes. There is plenty of things to see and do for those that love the outdoors. You can also head up to the Scottish Highlands for majestic mountains or hike in Snowdonia. And another reason to visit the UK is for the pub culture. After living and travelling abroad for the past 10 years, we can safely say that nothing beats a good old pub in the UK. Head to at least one British pub during your visit, enjoy a pint of beer or cider, and try some local food too. Known around the world, the royal family brings in many visitors to the country every year, especially London. Whilst in London, you can tour Buckingham Palace or witness the changing of the guard outside of the palace itself, but we also recommend visiting Kensington Palace, a historic royal residence and once home to Queen Victoria. You could also head out to Windsor to explore Windsor Castle, take a stroll around the Royal Botanic Gardens in Edinburgh, which is a favourite spot for the royal family to visit. You could also attend the Royal Ascot, a prestigious horse racing event where the royal family often make appearances at. So the British food might not be the first type of food that comes to mind when you think about the best cuisines around the world, but it does have a diverse culinary scene to try. Begin with fish and chips, a deep fried fish in batter served with thick cut fries, and make sure to get some tartar sauce with that as well. But also make sure to try a roast dinner typically served in pubs on a Sunday. You could also enjoy a full English breakfast, eat a comforting shepherd's pie, or try a Cornish pasty, a pastry filled with meat and vegetables. You can find some fantastic afternoon teas all over the country with some themed options available, and whilst you're in Scotland, make sure to try traditional Scottish dish haggis. The UK hosts a variety of festivals and events each year, which is another reason people choose to visit. The Glastonbury Festival is one of the largest and most iconic music festivals in the world, whilst the Edinburgh Fringe Festival is one of the largest performing arts festivals. The Notting Hill Carnival is Europe's largest street festival, celebrating the Caribbean culture with parades, music and food. The Chelsea Flower Show is a prestigious flower show perfect for gardening enthusiasts. The Reading and Leeds festivals are two music festivals which feature rock, indie and electronic music. The UK is also home to some vibrant, diverse cities to explore. Of course, many people will begin their trip to the UK in London, the capital city with a global hub known for its iconic landmarks and world-class museums. But we also recommend you head to Edinburgh in Scotland for its historic architecture and stunning Edinburgh Castle. Liverpool is well known for being home to the Beatles, and you can visit the vibrant waterfront and learn more about the band and the city's history whilst you're here. The capital of Wales is Cardiff, which offers a combination of modern shopping centres with historic castles and a growing waterfront area, whilst Oxford is known for its prestigious university and charming streets. We have a blog post about the best places to visit in the UK over on our website Creative Travel Guide. I will leave the link to that in the description below. Manchester is a dynamic city with a rich industrial history and two very popular football teams, and Glasgow is Scotland's largest city, celebrated for its art, music and vibrant nightlife. Cambridge is another world-renowned university city, whilst Leeds is a bustling city in West Yorkshire with popular shopping and dining options. You could visit Newcastle with a rich industrial past, or head to one of the cultural festivals in Leicester. Brighton is a popular seaside destination not too far from London, whilst Aberdeen is a Scottish city with a strong connection to the oil industry and an interesting history to learn. We also recommend you spend some time in Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland, known for its history, vibrant art scene and Titanic Quarter. Another great thing about the UK is how many attractions are available to explore and enjoy with the whole family. We love the Harry Potter studio tour in Watford, just on the outskirts of London, where you can explore the magical world of Harry Potter through this behind-the-scenes tour, where you can see the film sets and props from the movies. Located in Windsor is a Legoland theme park, offering rides, shows and Lego-themed attractions for children of all ages. London is full of exciting museums with engaging exhibits for children, such as the Natural History Museum and the Science Museum. In London, you can also head to the Sea Life Aquarium, the Tower of London or Madame Tussauds. In Leicester, you will find the National Space Centre, a space-themed attraction with exciting interactive exhibits for children. You could also head to Drayton Manor Theme Park, a family-friendly theme park which offers rides, attractions but also a zoo, as does Chessington World of Adventure. Children who love chocolate will enjoy a day at Cadbury World, located in Birmingham, or you can learn more about Roald Dahl at the Roald Dahl Museum and Story Centre in Buckinghamshire. If you are travelling with older children, you could also head to theme parks like Thorpe Park and Alton Towers, with more thrilling rides available for teenagers. Watch this video to find out about the best places to visit in the UK. Then, to find out about the best day trips from London, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in the UK and stay creative.